I am very happy to be a part of this documentary film on IIBF, and it is good that they are making a film which can showcase what IIBF has done since 1928. A lot of people join banking industry, a lot of challenges are there in front of banking industries, a lot of retirements are there in banking industry. So IIBF has been since 1928 filling the gap of training and education in the banking field. With the changes which are taking place in banking field on roughly on daily basis, we see something or the other happening globally, and some regulatory changes are getting made on regular basis. It is very important that we have an institute like IIBF, which can not only train the young generation which is entering the bank in large number, but also train the middle level and senior management people on regular basis. As I said, that the number of challenges are there in front of the banking industry, number of regulatory changes are being made, a lot of money is being spent on compliance to regulatory changes. But most important thing for any institution, especially for banking, is training, and where IIBF has been playing a very crucial role, and I wish IIBF continues with the same zeal and vigor with which they are functioning. I understand that IIBF is also coming on social media very soon, which is a very heartening step. Most of the younger generation are on social media, and this will also take IIBF to next level. I wish IIBF all success in their venture. Thank you.
Sir, you have about 3 decades experience. You have been witness to the changes basically in the banking industry with IT and all those things. What future role you pursue, you foresee for this kind of institution?
No, IIBF banking, as I said, is roughly changing on daily basis. So IIBF has to train the people, has to equip the people with the changes being made through online education, through their portal, through training programs, through certification courses. I think more and more certification courses would be needed as we move toward more specialization and specialized fields in the banking. During last 30-35 years which I have been there, I think the course which was earlier CIIB was the step when you have to read to pass and you learn number of things, because it is not possible unless you read, and you cannot learn without reading. So any person who does the certification course has to read to pass, and as you read, as you inculcate habit of reading, your knowledge increases. So IIBF has been, as I told you, the source for training. Going forward, I think more and more e-learning programs should come up from IIBF, and certification courses should come for specialized field, and which IIBF is doing, but issues like treasury management, risk management, Basel III compliances, LCRs, they are the chapters which have to be also taken care of.